Hey everyone, welcome to Ibarra. We're just about to go into the city and have a look around there. The hotel that we're in is really quite special actually, so I'm going to do a proper room tour, maybe a hotel tour maybe tomorrow. We have the whole place to ourselves, there's no one else here at all, which is absolutely amazing. We're off to a little bit of a bad start because there was a bit of a confusion with the rooms booking thing, but the good news is the Wi-Fi is pretty good, so I'm hoping that episode 1 will upload. We're currently on 0.31 gigabytes out of 1.4, so we've got a bit of work to do there. It's been going for about half an hour already, so fingers crossed. So this will be our last stop in Ecuador as well actually. After this then Emma and I are heading off on our own little adventure to Colombia, so excited for that. Yeah, we're off on our all on our own, so it's a little bit daunting, a little bit scary still, but yeah, we should be alright. The other thing you may have noticed, I mean, keep me talking about, is this appearing on my face. So we've been here 2 weeks now, about 2 weeks basically since we finished work and got the flight out here. Nearly 2 weeks. So this is my travelling beard. I like to say negotiated with Emma first. So we do have something to try out actually. Let's give this a go. Yes. So we're going to try some Buy My Beard oil. Emma got me this for Christmas. So let's see. Directions. After washing your beard turbo dry, it's fine, I've just had a shower. Apply a few drops of oil into your hands, rub together, work the oil through your beard and into your skin. Then work thoroughly into your beard, keeping it perfectly groomed and smelling great. Let's try. I put a little bit on there, you can see it's quite clear. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells very coconutty. Do you know it's anything different? Yeah, less bristly. It smells nice. It smells like coconut. Oh. Smell it. Smell my beard.
Am I on video?
Yes.
Is
it nice?
Yeah.
Proof's in the pudding, so you're the pudding.
So this is a crater.
No, czemu nie do sharing? Yeah,
You cannot see it now, but the Cotacacha, that mountain with snow is...
Yes.
Oh, behind the clouds.
Yeah.
So those are the islands there.
Yeah.
3060. Oh no.
Ah, esta no va.
¿Perdón?
¿Esta no va?
Sí, sino que como voy a la puerta abierta voy a salir.
Ah,
Ese es más tranquilo.
vale, vale.
Me dan viendo, por favor.
Sí, sí.
Oh, I'm glad they're coming. They make me feel safe.
So we just got in the
that's
back
right,
of this truck
Oh yes, in front.
on the way to a hike up a mountain.
Did we shut the
He's gonna show us.
And the dogs are
No,
coming
he
with
said
us.
that the door goes open.
What?
The door stays open.
Yes.
Why?
What if the dogs fall out?
Why fall out?
I don't care about you, Rona.
He said that the dog is okay. Not like maybe.
Yeah, Rona more challenging, yeah.
That is what he said.
You look like a proper hiker, Emma. Oh god, speed bumps.
You could move on. Emma is just normal. Like I like this.
So we're currently at Kubelici. I think we're going up here. That's the cattle truck we just got out. I don't know where this dog came from. He wasn't in the back with us.
No, he went in the front.
Was he in the front? Oh. This is our guide Emerson. He's gonna make sure we don't die. Hopefully. So we're at that red bit.
We're at the red bit.
Yeah.
And we're going up to these lakes up here.
Oh,
I
nice.
guess. Yeah.
Nice. What elevation are we at just now?
So we're 3,300 just now.
Oh, nice. And that's sort of up.
And
How
we're
high?
going to 3,700.
Nice. Cool.